Hello everybody, DJB here. Welcome back to another episode of Ratchet Clank Size Matters. We're starting all the way over from the beginning of Dreamtime because, yeah, apparently that's what it does. But we got all of our good upgrades and stuff, and I'm not gonna spend my time going all the way back because I don't really need to. But we're just gonna start off here, like with some normal stuff, I guess. Like we weren't that far into Dream World, whatever. We weren't far into this anyway, so. As you can see, we almost have this gun upgraded all the way to level 5, which will be awesome or not level 5, level 4. Which will be awesome if we got it in Dreamtime, which I'm pretty sure we will, and then I'll work on other things like the concussion gun and stuff. And then I'm probably not going to buy the suck cannon, because... Well, I guess I should buy the suck cannon, because I believe that's the last time we're ever going to see it again in this game. So that's kind of sad. So, we'll buy the suck cannon and pay tribute to it, because that's the final weapon. Or the final time we'll ever see the suck cannon. And I think we probably should upgrade it all the way. This is our last time. Well, let's just go... Gosh, the camera's so close to Ratchet. Well, let's just go and give this cork plant right here. I still have this on. I should probably just put on everything I have. So we're going to put on that. So I get the most damage reducing, you know? See if I take off that, put on that and that. 28. 19. 35, alright. So now we have this. I believe I discussed the whole armor sets thing. There's Luna's camera right there. Oh, sorry about that. Oh! Crap, I didn't even know I was in the territory of the eye and respawn all the way back here. Yes, the spawning in Dreamtime is really annoying, but I just think this level's fun in general because you get to see a lot of old places that we haven't been to in a while, obviously. But we will get to that point soon. I keep trying to long jump, but then I realize, oh wait, Clank's not here. Okay, did that. Oh! No, don't hurt him! Don't hurt him! He's just an innocent boy, don't hurt him! Oh gosh. He turned into Quark. I don't think that makes him any better. I think he literally turned worse. Okay, we're gonna wait for the eye to go by. We're in eye territory, guys. The magic of the eye is upon us, and we must respect it. Oh, there's Charon Jack. He's dead. Yeah, in this Dreamtime you see a lot of old Ratchet Clank things, which is pretty cool. Like, usually from the first 3 games. Usually what it is. But, you know, you do see some stuff from Size Matters too. You see Cork. Can Drake like get out of the way? Because that one looks freaking slingshot. Okay, maybe not. He's not. He comes back. Just great. Now this Dreamtime, it's not really fun with those freaking things around. Those little... Oh gosh, I just saw the red, so I just went... Here's Quark's hat! Now we want Quark's hat. Isn't that great? And then here's Quark. He's in. I feel like we always see Quark as a nurse somehow in this Ratchet and Clank series. It's kind of weird. Cork is always a nurse in some way, shape, or form. Oh. Okay, let's just get out of here, shall we? Go, 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 go. Let's get out of here. Fly out, go to Velden, or, oh gosh, here's Ratchet and Dr. Nefarious. Okay. Oh crap. Ratchet, Dr. Nefarious, Drake. They're all here, it's the whole gang. Hello? Anyone else? Oh, it's just Cork. No! Oh yes! The dual lacerators we have upgraded all the way. So now it's more like a machine gun if you hold it down. It's funny looking at that thing go by. Oh, Luna! Wait, where'd she go? Where'd all the other pizza slices go? Pizza slices. I just know I have dual lacerators. And oh, the plumber! No! Oh gosh, I killed him. Oh crap. Oh, this sucks. This sucks. Hurry. 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 Oh, I still died. Oh gosh, that's hard. That's pretty difficult. What's a new weapon we should work on? Oh, I know. Scorcher. Scorcher and the Agents of Doom. We'll work on those two. Wait, what's the other gun I have? The concussion gun. Maybe I should get this one up too. We got this gun first. Go! Oh gosh. I'm not gonna make it. No. Oh, I made it all the way to the end and died. Well, this is pretty difficult. Okay then. Whoa. Right. Totally. What? No, the concussion gun. I'm gonna make it this time. I'm gonna make it. Nope, I'm gonna make it. I made it. Yes. Uh-oh. Turn up. Turn up. Turn up. Turn up. Turn up. Turn up.
Ratchet! Ratchet! Come on, Ratchet. Wake up! You must wake up. There is still so much to do. I knew something was odd about that Luna girl. This is all my fault.
Yeah, they're right. I mean, nothing. Alright. So Clank's, Clank's blaming himself right now. So, I feel bad for him. Just kidding, I don't know. Uh-oh. This place looks familiar. You know what this place looks like? Ratchet's home. Let's just move on. Oh crap! Oh yeah. I forgot about this. Yeah. What's up, Ratchet? Okay. Oh, he had a door behind it? Yeah, I don't remember. What is this crap? Ah! Maybe the Scorcher's good on these guys. Oh, it is. Oh, wow, that's pretty neat. It works pretty well. What? Oh, crap. Oh, I was about to shoot him. Alright. Wow. Alrighty, here we go now. Oh, we're on a taxi. I didn't even realize that. I was like, where are we going? Oh, it's Cork. Kill him with the concussion gun. I don't think that's gonna kill him. Just freaking kill him with the lacers. Or he just died. He just killed himself. Oh. Die, Nefarious! Ah, die. Keep trying to reload, but obviously I can't. Oh. Oh, that looks pretty sick. Alright. Oh gosh. Oh, Nefarious, keep it PG. Nefarious, I don't want to see that. Oh, we're in another home of Ratchet and Clank. Another house in the second game. Wow. I said this was a lot smaller. This little triangle thing. And Jack and Dexter was there. What the hell? That's what happens if you don't break the mirror. Turn around. They're not there. That's the smart thing. What the crap? Is that a crab? Ugh, stinky crabs. Do you have our gravity boots on? We don't need gravity boots where we're going. You don't need gravity boots if you have swag. See, that's stupid. Are we even moving? Oh, crap. No. Ah, you can't strafe with this thing. It's kinda dumb. Oh, my feet are falling asleep. Where are we going? Oh, hello. Uh-oh, yeah, get out, go. Ah, stupid bad guys. Okay. Are we here yet? Oh, we're here. No. Uh-oh, I hear Cork. I don't like this. Use concussion. Oh no, I'll use the agents to do. Probably make more sense. Try to get these guns upgraded. Try to get these guys upgraded as much as possible. Okay then, that works. Where are they? Oh no. Scorch them. Oh gosh. More blocks. Stop falling asleep. If you keep falling asleep. Oh wow. Okay. Oh wow. It upgrades quite a bit once you kill all these orcs. Or just two. Oh now they have guns. They're awesome now. You guys awesome. But it comes with no ammo. Wow. What a great weapon. So great. No ammo. But it comes with guns, so that's cool. They're like jumping like, hey, we have guns. The bolts. Oh, I don't want to go in that. But we will. Can we suck these guys up? Or just suck? Can they suck? Oh, we can! Ah, you guys are suck. Ah. No, Quark. Where's the other guy? Oh, this thing is upgrading quite fast. I like that. Ah, teleport to the boat. Ah, what boat? What boat? Oh crap, no. Okay. Oh, look at that. Look at that vortex. Wow, it freaking blew up. Got some of these guys out. Wow, only 3. What? Okay, they all just fell off the edge because apparently they don't want to use their new weapon. They're just scared. They're scared. I think they're just scared. Oh no, we died. We died. But we're all the way back here now, so we're good. Is there an ammo? No. Okay, maybe there is. I almost went in there. Okay. Hello. Oh, I'm coming through. Ah. Okay, let's go. Wow, that was easy. Alright. We suck all of them up. Right now we're gonna use the Scorcher. Because sadly, that gun only holds 8, which freaking sucks. Freaking, I was gonna say something else inappropriate, but never mind. Okay, let's just upgrade our You Suck Chuck cannon. Yes! Level 2. I'm just gonna hold 10 now. Now it upgrades, it still upgrades fast. So, okay. Oh my god, it's Giant Clank. Giant Clank, run. That looks pretty cool. So what you do here on the Giant Clank part is you just have to avoid all of his attacks. Which he only does the same attacks over and over again. And I think you get a skill point if you don't get hit, which is pretty easy. Apparently that's strafing. It looks like it's strafing. Oh, feet. No pain. Oh, no, it's going fast. Oh no! Okay, apparently I don't get any flowers where I was at. Flower grenades. Flower grenades, no. No flower grenades. I'm out taking some hardcore drugs, but grenades don't turn into flowers. I can't tell if he's turning on or not. Oh, there he is. Now you know when he's going. Just dodges attacks, so it might take forever. Never mind, it does take forever. Gosh, those are the shrooms I ate earlier. Dang it. What's wrong? Oh, I have no weapon. Oh yeah, my weapons turn into flowers. I got a skill point. And he's gonna turn into flowers. Yeah. I love flowers. Electroshock armor, I think? Pistolets.
You must wake up. There is still so much to do. I knew something was odd about that Luna girl. This is all my fault.
Hey, it wasn't your fault. I'm just too stubborn sometimes.
You can hear me?
Yeah, you're standing right here.
Okay, now we're flying, apparently.
Nice to have you back.
Where are we?
We were both double-crossed by Luna. I do not know why she did it. but I saw a video of you undergoing some tests. They were extracting something from you.
That's weird. I've got a major headache, but other than that, I feel okay.
Well, if we are going to get to the bottom of this, the first thing we need to do is get out of here and find Luna.
That's okay, Clank. I'll handle this one.
I think you got him, Ratchet.
I'm just getting started.
Okay, he gets all mad because he realizes she's a woman. That's kind of sexist. But anyways, in the next episode we will do this medical Outpost Omega, and then we will continue on the game. So I hope everybody enjoyed. My name's Ethan GB and I'm out. Peace.